Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2007 Toyota Tundra. Stock number is A7472A. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Toyota bed liner is going to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tundra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.